In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily perform an upgrade of Kasten deployed via Helm chart. We'll explore upgrades using the OpenShift operator in a separate video. I'm going to start by opening up Settings and going to the Support menu. Under Upgrade Status, we see that I'm currently on version 6.0.3 and version 6.0.4 is now available. Using the Helm command provided directly in the dashboard, we'll refresh the list of available charts across all configured Helm repositories and perform an upgrade to the latest version using the current chart configuration. It's recommended that you don't jump any more than 4 releases in a single upgrade. Once all of our Kasten pods return to a ready state, our upgrade is complete and I can clean up my Helm values file. Refreshing the dashboard, we can confirm we're now running the latest version. Be sure to check out other videos in this series for more examples on how to get started using Kasten, and visit the link on screen to claim your free Kasten license today.